Here's the zip tie or fancy holder of the wiring harness in front of the bottom of the tonneau cover lock. It is a little bit hard to see when you're inside the storage compartment, so we'll show you how it's undone. You feel your way through until you feel this upper hook. Slide a small screwdriver in here, open the tab, and it opens up, freeing the wiring harness. The larger clips holding the wiring harness on the bottom of the chassis, very easily opened. Just push down on top so you can lever up this edge and the clip opens up.